Hey, what's going on, guys? In this video we are going to see how to use multiple classes in Java programming. Now let's see how to do that. First of all, I'm going to create a new class. To create the new class, you can see in the sidebar we have this one right here. Right click on this new class, and you can name your class as whatever you want. I'm going to just name it as coffee. Finish. And now you can see we have a new class. In this new class, let's type something. Let's say public void this is a void mean do something. So here I'm going to introduce a method name simple message, and inside of this one I'm going to give a printout statement system.out println, and inside this one I put this is another class and a semicolon. Now let's go ahead and run this one and see what happens. Okay, here you can see we are not getting anything because here we don't have a main function. So in order to make this one work, we had to have a main function. To activate the main function, what we can do is we can go to the other class. I have this apples.java, that's another class. Here we have a main function public static void main. Here first we have to, in order to make that the other one work, we had to first create an object. So create the object. What I'm going to name the object as coffee object. That is equal to new coffee and a semicolon, and after that here we have to put object name and the method name. Object name is coffee object dot simple method name simple message, because that's the one we created right here. Our name of the method was simple message, so you have to put the same name right here, simple message, and that's it. Now if you run this one, put a semicolon, and if you run this one, now it will work. Here you can see this is another class because we have created an object name and a method name, so we had to have a object name and the method name under the main function in order to make the other class work. That's how we can use multiple classes in Java programming. I hope you guys find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and if you're trying to learn Java programming, there are a bunch of videos in my playlist. I hope you guys watch that too. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.